While spending time in your Brightspace Gradebook, you might come across some icons within the Manage Grades and Enter Grades area. These icons are important to understand to ensure that your gradebook is accurately reflecting your desired setup. Starting off in the Manage Grades area, if you notice an eyeball with a slash through it, it means that a grade item or category is not visible to students. This can be applied or removed by editing the grade item or category, going to the Restrictions tab, and selecting or unselecting the box that says Hide from Users. If you run into a clock icon, it means that the grade item or category has a start date or end date associated with it. If this is the case, students cannot see the grade item or category until the start date begins, and they will no longer be able to see it once the end date has passed. These dates can be adjusted by editing a grade item, going to the Restrictions tab, and selecting or unselecting the boxes for start dates and end dates. If you wish to apply a start or end date, make sure that the dates and times you enter are accurate. If you see a star next to a grade item, it means that it is a bonus grade item. Bonus grade items are grade items that do not count against the student towards their final grade, and they are meant to act as extra credit. Grade items can be made into extra credit by editing them and toggling on the bonus checkbox. Please note, if you use a weighted gradebook, adjust the weight accordingly if you want to make a grade item a bonus grade item. If you use a point-style gradebook instead of a weighted gradebook, you may notice an exclamation point next to a grade item. This means that the grade item is excluded from the final grade calculation. In other words, if a student receives a grade for the grade item, it won't go towards their final grade for the course. This can be applied or removed by editing a grade item, and selecting or unselecting the box for Exclude from Final Grade Calculation. If you notice that there is text next to a grade item in the Association column of the Manage Grades area, it means that the grade item is linked to an activity in either the discussion, assignment, or quiz tools within Brightspace. If you click the question mark next to this text, it will tell you which specific assignment, discussion, or quiz the grade item is linked to. If you see an icon of an arrow rounding about a circle, this means that one or more students are exempt from that specific grade item. You can adjust exemptions by going to the Enter Grades tab and grade a specific grade item. Then choose a student and select Exempt. If you wish to no longer exempt someone, choose Unexempt. When finished, hit Save and Close. If you are in the Enter Grades tab, you may notice one or more of these icons: a file in a bin, speech bubbles, or a question mark in a square. These are shortcuts to view submissions by students for either assignments, discussions, or quizzes. The file in a bin icon is for assignments, the speech bubbles are for discussions, and the question mark is for quiz attempts. If there is an orange dot next to any of these icons, then it means that the submissions or quiz attempts were not yet read by the instructor. You may also notice either an eyeball icon or an eyeball icon with a slash through it in the Final Grades area of the Enter Grades tab. An open eyeball means that the final grade has been released to students, and the eyeball with a slash through it means that the final grade has not yet been released to students. Stony Brook instructors can learn more about releasing final grades in the article in the description. Thank you for watching. Please remember to check out our playlist on other common gradebook issues and how to resolve them.